Sunday morning, 7 a.m. laundry day.
Freezing, we cancel the shoot. Good morning, it's Tuesday, 16th of January, I still have to think. And we actually agreed to have a shooting today at this beautiful beach. It's called Punta Esmeralda. We're close to the Paraísos, La Perla and Esmeralda, which is over there. And we decided against doing that because of this. Yep. It's just not the right way to present our guides. So we are going for breakfast. There are the guys. Good morning! Good morning! Yeah. Let's go and have breakfast. They are all acting natural.
Next to China.
Yeah. Okay, due to the weather we decided to have breakfast instead of freezing our butts off at the beach. Let me introduce you. Gabi. Hey. He's supposed to do the pictures. Guillermo. Santiago. Clarita. And the wife. Very happy. Good morning, 7:10. Just finished my morning run. Don't get the idea that I do that every morning. Running around a bit, it's cold, so you have to stay warm. Santiago is out fishing, and I'm going to Puerto Aventuras having a look for a couple of rental boats. Only the best for you. Good morning in Puerto Aventuras.
Good morning, buenos dias.
This is Jessica. We met and she's going to show me a bit around here and most importantly the boat. Feet boat, quite huge, and what really impressed me was the inside, the lounge room with a view and the seat in the corner. I really liked that. 6 or 8 hour tour, and it takes you 2 hours to arrive to Tulum. And if you don't want to line up, if you don't want to take the common tour, you go with that boat and have a look at the ruins from the ocean. You are more than welcome to let us know when we're going on the 80 feet yacht. Looking forward to that. You should subscribe to the channel because
I will, of course.
I'm always looking for the camera. Good morning, Tuesday, 23rd, I think, 7:15-20 in the morning. Weather forecast on Sunday, predicted rain. Just wanted to give you that quick update.